In case of birds and mammals, it is a complete closed circulatory system, and also it shows double circulation. Now we discussed about what is double circulation. That is the path of circulation. First, from body to heart. First, from body to heart. The vena cavae, the superior and inferior vena cavae carry blood from tissues. The superior vena cava collect deoxygenated blood from head portion, and the inferior vena cava carry deoxygenated blood from lower part of the body. And this deoxygenated blood enter into right atria. The superior and inferior vena cavas carry deoxygenated blood from different parts of the body, and this deoxygenated blood first enter into right atrium. Right atria. Then this deoxygenated blood enter into right ventricle through tricuspid valve. From the right ventricle, the deoxygenated blood passing to lungs through pulmonary artery. The pulmonary artery open from right ventricle. Pulmonary artery. This deoxygenated blood entering and coming from right ventricle and enter into pulmonary artery, then to lungs for purification. After purification, the oxygenated blood enter into left atria through pulmonary veins. To this oxygenated blood enter into left atria. The oxygenated blood enter into left ventricle through bicuspid valve. Then this oxygenated blood supply to all body parts through the aorta. Once more, the superior and inferior vena cava carry deoxygenated blood, and this deoxygenated blood enter into right atria, and then passing through the tricuspid valve and enter into right ventricle, and this deoxygenated blood enter into pulmonary artery to lungs. The deoxygenated blood carried to lungs through pulmonary artery. After purification, the oxygenated blood from lungs entering to left atria through pulmonary veins to pulmonary veins, and from left atria to left ventricle the blood passing through the bicuspid valve, and this oxygenated blood enter into the aorta that opens from left ventricle, and this purified blood is supplied to all body parts. Now we can see in two types of circulation. Two times the blood enter into heart. One from the right atria, and next time the blood enter into left atria. This is the steps of double circulation.